Full Excel course. Excel basics, rows and columns. The spreadsheets are displayed in a grid layout. The letters across the top are column headings. Click on any of the letters. The image shows the B column highlighted. If you look down to the left side of the grid, you will see numbers right here, which start at number 1 at the very top and go down to over 1,000,000. The exact number of rows and columns are 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. You never going to need this many. You can click on any of the you can click a number to highlight the entire column.